Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the chapter number 3, and that is numbers. Fine. So in the last class we have concluded the chapter number 2, that is pattern. So student, today since the new chapter will be started, as because we are not able to do the Mindspark class, so because of that only we are doing this normal classes now, as I have already sent you the message. So students, if before starting this chapter we have to find out what are the objective of this particular chapter, that means what we are going to learn in this chapter, and what will be some of the keywords which are very important words, you can say. Fine. And some of the words or some of the things that you have already come across already in the last year, that is in class 3, but still we need to recall some of the point of that. Fine. So let us see first of all the objective. Now student, this all thing I will click a picture and I will send it to you. You have to write down this in your school copy properly. First of all, you have to write down the chapter number 3, then chapter name, that is numbers, and then the date. Fine. And first you have to write in the beginning, that is objective. Objective means what we are going to learn in this chapter. Let us see, there are total 6 objectives here. So let us see one by one. Number 1, it is to learn about smallest and largest 4-digit and 5-digit number. That means which are the smallest and greatest, both 4-digit number and also 5-digit number. 4-digit number you got it earlier. That means still 4-digit number, that is still 1000 place, you already got in class 3. Now this time you are going to get a 5-digit number. Fine. So that's why smallest and largest 4-digit and 5-digit. Number 2, to learn how to read and write 5-digit number. Since you are getting the 5-digit number for the first time, till 4-digit you got last year, so how to read it and how to write it, that also we are going to learn in this chapter. Number 3, how to compare and arrange 5-digit number. How to compare means if I give you 5-digit number, 2 5-digit number or 3 5-digit number, then how you are going to compare it, which one is greater, which one is smaller. So that we are going to learn, that is about comparing and about arranging also. Arranging means, students, you know there are 2 types of arrangement. One is ascending order and another is descending order. Ascending means you can say smaller to larger, and descending means say larger to smaller. Fine. So that thing also we are going to learn. Next, number 4, how to find place value and face value of digits. Now this is very important. Students get confused most of the time with these 2 words, that is what is place value and what is face value. In fact, some of the students even they know the place value properly, but they don't know about the face value. Fine. So they look like same, but what is the difference in between place value and face value, and how to find it, that we are going to learn. Number 5, how to form smallest and largest 5-digit number. Suppose if I give you any 5 digits, not number, digits, if I give you 5 different digits, how to make the greatest number out of that 5 digit and how to make the smallest number out of that 5 digit. That we are going to learn in this chapter also. And the last objective is number 6, that is how to round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now students, this is going to be a new topic for you, that is rounding off. Fine. That, or we say it estimation also sometimes. So how to round off. So now I will not make you understand about that how to round off and what is actually a round off, but this will be an objective of our topic. So we will get it at the last part. You can say it is the last topic of the chapter. So we will come across about this. So student, what will be the keywords for this chapter? I already said there are basically 2 important keywords will be here in this, that is the face value and place value. So this will be the 2 keywords mainly, and one more you can write down, and that is you can say round off. This also, student, please write down round off, since round off will be a completely new word for you. You have not got it before, so that's why round off will be also an important keyword for this particular chapter. So students, I will send this picture to you, or you can pause the video here, or you can write down all the detail here in the copy properly. Then only after writing this, then we will go ahead with the other things one by one. Fine. So students, let us continue. But before going to continue the main content, let us go for the recalling part. Recalling part means say what we call what we got in the last year. Let us revise a little bit of that. So students, please take out your textbook, and in textbook page number 23, students. So let us take out and let us see I recall. There is a part I recall, that is, we know that 10 ones make a 10. Now 10 ones means, students, if I say 1, so 1 means what? It will be 1 only. 10 ones means, say suppose if I write 10 ones means actually 10 into 1. So that will make what? 10. And this 10 is actually what? This is, we will say 110. Because how many 10 are here? Only 1. So that's why it will be 110. Or you can say a 10 also. Then 10 tens make 100. If I write 10 tens, 10 tens means it will be, for this 10 it will be 10, and for tens means what? We know tens means 10 only. So 10 tens it will be 100. So that means it is 100. Fine. So that was, and 10 hundreds make a 1000. 10 hundreds, if I write, say 10 hundreds. So students, 10 hundreds means this 10 will be here, and this hundreds will multiply it with 10. So 10 into 100, it will become how much? It will become 1000 or 8000, we can say. So that already we come to know in the last year itself. Fine, till thousands. So students, if you say counting by 10, counting by hundreds, counting by thousands, so those are like, counting by tens will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Counting by hundreds will be 100, 200, 300, 400. And counting by thousands will be 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, etc. Fine. So now they have given, in page number 24, they have given, let us read the number names for the following numbers. Now students, what is number name? Number name is the name of the particular number. That is how we read it. Writing is different and reading is different. So reading, how we are going to read it, or how we are going to write in words. If we write a number in words, that will be called the number name. Fine. So it is given in the book itself, it is given 80. So obviously students, 80 we know, 80 it is called 80, and that is how they have written also. 80 is, that is, if I say, it will be 80 like this. Fine. Then if we say 800, so 800, again it is written 800, but in words if I have to write, then it will be 800. You have to write 8 first, then 100. It is already given in the book, you can see there from there. 8000, 8 and then 1000 separately you have to write in words, and 888, 3-digit number it is given. So 800, that is the place of the left hand side 8, and 88, the last 2 digits we have to read it together, that will be 88. Fine. Now if we recall a little bit of this, we will have to recall few of the things about the greatest and smallest number that we got. So the smallest 2-digit number, if we write that smallest 2-digit number, smallest 2-digit number, students, smallest 2-digit number is what? 10, because below this if I count, then it will become 1 digit. So 10 is the starting number of 2-digit number. So 10 will be the smallest 2-digit number. Similarly, it will be, if I say greatest, if I write greatest 2-digit number, then it will be what? It will be 99. As we know, 99 is the last number where the 2-digit number ends. And if we go more than that, then it will enter into the 3-digit number, that is 100. Similarly, smallest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number will be 100. Then greatest 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number will be 999. As we know that above 999 it will enter into the thousands place. So smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number will be just next to the greatest 3-digit number, that is 1000, and greatest 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number will be this one, that is 4 nines will come, 9999. So students, please note it down, pause the video and please note it down in your copy after that keyword, that is what is smallest and greatest 2-digit number, smallest and greatest 3-digit number, and smallest and greatest 4-digit number. This is very important. Fine. So you have to remember this. Actually, if you have gone through the previous year topics properly, it will be, you already might have known this particular things. Fine. So that we already know from the last year. Now students, if we go more than that, beyond that, then it will be now page number 24 itself. I remember and understand. Now I remember and understand, this is a concept that actually the new concept starts from here. These all we already got in the last year. Now the new concept starts, means that we will go ahead with the 5-digit number, you can say. Fine. So let us start with the 5-digit number. So students, please note it down. Pause the video and note it down. Now we will go ahead with the 5-digit number. Now 5-digit number, students, if we say in page number 24 itself, if you see the yellow box is given, there it is written very clearly, the smallest 5-digit number is what? It is 10,000, and the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now students, have you seen one pattern here? If we have to write the smallest 5-digit number, what we have to do, we need to make, I am talking about smallest now, so please concentrate on that. I need 5-digit, but it has to be the smallest. So what I will do, I will give 4 zeros. Fine, I will give 4 zeros first, and then I will put the smallest digit. What is the smallest digit after 0? 1. So if I write like this, now you count how many digits we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits we have. So this will be the smallest 5-digit number. And similarly, if I have to make the greatest 5-digit number, now to make the greatest number, we use the greatest digit. Now the greatest digit is which one? From 0 to 9. 9 is the greatest digit. So I have to repeat 9 how many times? I have to repeat 9 5 times. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So 5 times when I repeat 9, then it will become the greatest 5-digit number. If I have to go more than this, then it will enter into the 6-digit number, which is not required as of now. Fine. So students, you have to remember, smallest 5-digit number is this one. 5-digit, 40 will come, and then 1 will be in the left hand side extreme left. And to make the greatest 5-digit number, it is very easy. You put only 9. If I need 4-digit number, put 9 4 times. If I need 3-digit greatest number, put 9 3 times. Since it is greatest 5-digit number, I have to put 9 for 5 times. Fine. So this is the concept that we need to understand here. Now here students, if you have understood, remember few of the things from the last year and more than that also, like we got a concept called successor and predecessor. Fine. So if you see successor and predecessor, student, what I will get, say, if I write, say, 999, suppose I am writing 999. What is this, student? 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. What will be its successor? Successor means what? We have to, how to find out successor? We need to add 1 with the number. If I add 1 with 999, what I will get is, we will get 1000. So students, have you observed these 2-digit numbers? If you have observed, you can say what speciality this number has. This number is the greatest 3-digit number. That means we will say it is the greatest 3-digit number. This one is the greatest 3-digit number. And its successor, when we add 1 with this greatest 3-digit number, we get what? 1000. Now students, what is the speciality this number has? This number is the smallest 4-digit number. That means this is the smallest 4-digit number. So students, you can see a pattern here. The greatest 3-digit number when we add 1 with that, we get the smallest 4-digit number. Fine. Similarly, if I continue this, say it will be, if I write the greatest 4-digit number. Now it was 3-digit, now I am getting greatest 4-digit. If I add 1 with this, what I will get? I will get this number. Isn't it? Now student, this also you can see, this is what greatest, but not 3, it is 4-digit. That means this is greatest 4-digit number. This one is the greatest 4-digit number. But what result I get is the smallest 5-digit number. So students, you can say the successor of the greatest 3-digit number is the smallest 4-digit number, and successor of the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999, that will be the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. So this is actually a pattern. When we add 1, or if we see the successor of any greatest number, greatest 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit number, if we add 1 with that, we get the smallest number, but the number of digits increased. If it is 3-digit, it will become 4-digit. If it is 4-digit, the smallest number will become, but of how many digits? Of 5-digit. That means the digit will be increased, but the number will become smallest one, not the greatest one. Fine. So that is a pattern actually which is actually going on. So student, that is about we can say successor of particular greatest numbers, greatest 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers. Fine. So now basically we need to see the 5-digit number, and in the 5-digit number, if you say the place values, if I say, so if we have to make the place value chart, so the first place always is of ones place, next place is always of tens place, the next third place is of hundreds, then it comes the thousands. So students, till here we got last year, till thousands, 4-digit number we got in the last year classes. Now here it will come, now 10,000 will come. This is the extra that we are going to get this year, that is the 10,000 place. Now 10,000 place, if we have to see, then students, let us put some digits here, and say I am putting here 4, then say 2, then 6, 5 and say 7. Now students, this is very important, particularly this part, how to read this number. If I have to read this number, students, please note it down, please copy it in your copy, write down this table and pause the video and write down this digit. Now suppose these are actually, if I see, then this is ones, tens, hundreds. Now this particular 3 place, we actually count. So though it is ones place is also there, tens is also there, hundreds is also there, but this first 3 digit or first 3 place we consider as, so we consider this as, say this will be ones period, we will have to say, this one will be ones period and this will be thousands period. So students, we have to remember this period especially, because if we remember this period, we can easily read out the number name or how to read a particular 5-digit number that we can do. The first 3 places will be known as the ones period, and the next 2 places, that is the extreme to left place, will be known as the thousands period. Fine. Now how to read it? Let us take a very like a short, you can say, example of this. If we see, if we write this number, say if we have to write the number without this table, then how the number will look like? It will be like this. That will be 75624. So as I said that these 3 together is known as only one period, so ones period. So this, after this 3 place, I have to give a comma. That means the period of ones is over. Now the next 2 period will be for the thousand. So that's why this will be the next 2 period. Now if we have to write it or read it, how I will read? What is this we read always the number from the left hand side, as we know. So what is the number on the thousands period? If you know, suppose there is no 624, suppose think that this 624 is not there, then this number will be how much? It will be 75. So how I will read it? I will write the 75 first. Fine. Now 75 is sitting in which period? It is sitting in the thousands period. So that means it will be 75,000. So it is the 75,000. Now what is the remaining period? That is the ones period. And these three period you have to read together. And 3-digit number, we know how to read it. Fine. We already got it in earlier classes. It is very simple. It is hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So it will be 624. So we have to write 600, then 24. So now if we read the complete number together, what we can read? 75,624. That will be the complete number name of this number. So students, today we will wind up here. We will discuss more on this. We will learn how to read. We will take more examples. This is only one example I have given. We will do it more. Fine. So from there you can easily understand how to read a 5-digit number. And students, it is very important to read a 5-digit number. Read and how to write the number name in, or you can say in words, because in exam there will be definitely some questions like this, that convert the number, write the number in words, or from words the write the number in numerals, in numbers, so like that. So we will discuss it more. So then please pause the video and note down all these things in your school copy. And tomorrow, that is on Monday, we are going to meet again, and we will have more discussion on this particular topic. So since today's class is only about minds, but it was not be possible because of the upgradation of the software. So today I'm not going to give you any homework from particularly for this class. So Monday we will continue with this, and we will give you some homework, how much we can finish up to that. Fine. And I will have one Zoom online class in the coming week, so that I will tell you in advance when and on which date I'm going to take it, the time and the date. Fine. So let us meet on Monday, and we will continue from here. Okay. Thank you.